put all the ingredients now. Source of protein. Ang kasungasungan.
YoFuVeg.
Hello mga ka-Pinoy ToFu! Guys, ngayon, dahil katatapos ko lang mag-walking, ayaw ko naman kumain ng marami kasi gabi na. So, ito ang naisipan kong dinner na lang. Yeah, we have yogurt.
Over there.
Yeah.
Some apple.
Yes.
Some cucumber.
Yeah, cucumber.
And some lettuce.
Celery.
Celery.
That's celery.
Celery. And some
Tofu.
And some tomato over here.
Yes.
And some
Carrots. Yeah. These are
and
nuts.
we have some nuts,
Here.
over there.
We're gonna crush them later.
Yeah.
Okay? Ang gagawin namin dito, ilalagay lang namin sa blender at i-shake namin. Then it will be my dinner. Yan, di ba? Guys, mayroon din tayong konting tubig dito in case na kailangan natin ng tubig. Okay? So, we're gonna put all the ingredients now.
Carrot.
Carrots.
Can you eat an apple?
Yeah, you can eat.
Guys, and some
Oh, Maria will eat the apples.
yummy apple.
Celery.
Strawberry?
Maria, tofu.
Oh.
The tomato.
Tomato.
Konting nuts.
There's some almonds. Oh, what the? Should be careful not to smash it that much.
Yeah, should be one time smashing.
No.
No, it's a bit messy.
There.
Yeah. Why we have nuts? This is also protein. We have a source of fiber and another source of protein and carbohydrates. This one.
Some yogurt.
Yogurt, see? This will be a complete meal. Good for dinner. Gonna put some water, right? Some pinch.
Some what? Some. Only some.
Or konti lang.
Here.
Sa madalit salita. Na tubig.
Two or one.
One person.
There we go.
Shake it! Shake it!
Shake it. Shake it.
Ah,
Ah, there we go. Now we're getting somewhere.
now you're blending.
Right up and down.
Okay, yun guys. So, iinom na tayo ng YoFuVeg drink.
Yeah, YoFuVeg.
Drink.
What do you think?
It tastes good. I can taste the celery. That's the texture of the carrots.
All I can taste is the vegetables,
Yeah.
not the tofu and the yogurt.
Or I can feel the texture of the tofu also. And the nuts. Yeah, nuts.
Oh, very yum. Good, Mom.
The sour taste of the yogurt, I cannot taste it very well. Maybe next time I
More
will
yogurt?
put more yogurt. Yeah.
There's more yogurt over there.
That's for Maria. Actually guys, nakakabusog siya. Di ba pagkatapos mong mag-walking or mag-jogging, kung hindi ka kumain ng before ka mag-jogging, yung tama lang yung kain mo, yung lunch time pa. Di ba medyo gutom-gutom ka na nun? Pero ngayon, pag inom ko nito, parang busog na ako.
Yeah, I feel the same. I feel the same after just tasting it.
Really?
Yeah.
You feel busog already after
Yeah,
tasting it?
I feel the sog.
What is busog?
Full.
Full?
Yeah.
Full?
F-U-L.
L. Okay.
L. F-U-L-L.
Full. Ayan guys, naubos
She
ko.
finished that.
So, feel ko na busog na ako. Hindi ka ngunguya, iinumin mo lang. Di ba? Tubig.
Eat some. Drink some more. Why are you dancing and snapping?
Nakaka-energy guys. Nakaka-energy. I feel so energized with that. I feel so energized. I feel so energized. I feel so energized. I feel, yeah, yeah. I feel, yeah. Nag-enjoy ba kayo?
Yes.
You enjoyed?
Yeah, but not the drink. I enjoyed the mixing part.
Not the entertainment part? Not the dance part?
I like the dance part and the mix part.
Ah, okay.
Wow.
Sawap! Sawap! Say sarap, Maria.
Sawap.
Ah, sawap! Sarap! Sarap! Again.
Sawap.
What does that mean?
What does that mean?
Sawap.
What does that mean?
Shrap means yummy.
Ayun guys! I hope you enjoyed this video.
Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video.
Oh, yun, narinig niyo si Lucas. At, siyempre, kailangan niyo talagang mag-subscribe kay Pinoy Towits. Pag winatch niyo itong video na to at nagustuhan at nag-enjoy sa ating entertainment and healthy recipe. Di ba?
And wait, don't forget to push that notification bell for more updates from Pinoy Towits.
Okay, that's right, guys. Okay, now,
Now.
what we will do?
Bye. Bye.
Hanggang sa susunod na video. Bye-bye!